Ooga! Ooga! Bark! Bark! Hunter!
Hello, welcome to today's video. Today will be Dawn of Man. I'll recreate humanity in this little thing here. Speed. Build a hut. We can only hold 6 people. We need to hold more. What do we need for it? 4 sticks. 6. Gather sticks. Gain flint here. Food, so we'll fish here. Collect and harvest here as well. Gain stone from right. Can I get these in the same area? Oh yeah, okay. There you go. Okay. We also need dry skin. Oh well, we'll get some eventually. That there. And we're gonna need spears for it. Also, make a wood pile. Is that already a wood pile? Yeah. Also get a stone pile. A rock pile. What difference does that make, rotating it? Put it that way. Child there and a child there. This one's old, this one's old. They're all old. Our little civilization. Little people. Very good craft. So we may as well craft 2 more spears. Craft 1 more. And we'll go hunting. What we will hunt? I don't know. Vision. We'll hunt that thing, I guess. We'll just put like a hunt. There, I guess. Hunt. Right there. What's he doing? Where's he going? Are they going to hunt? So let's just go watch them hunt. Caveman hunt? Hunting with a caveman. Like a documentary. On today's episode of National Geographic, rare species of Homo sapien. Using what seems to be a large mammalian creature. With their intellect, they're able to hunt with spears. Any other creature might have been lost. Although it won't be for thousands of years will they realize their strength in numbers. Okay, so skinning that now. What's this? Is it raw skin? Set that to high priority. Come on, Imat. You can do it. You can do it. We believe in you. There you go, you got one. There you go, start crafting. Come on, man. It's right there. That was one thing of sticks. Okay, young child. You're going to... Just going right past it to put in the wood pile. Okay, then. Lovely. Yeah, we got our little tiny Ooga booga station. They don't really know what they're doing, but fine. Other than that, how are you going? You doing good still? Or another quarter fish, that's good for you. Okay. Yeah, he's building that now. Once that's built, we can start producing, skins. Hey. Good for everyone, wouldn't it? You're almost stunned, right, man? I will just speed it up. There you go. Knowledge. Guile. I think the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go for, like... We'll go for bone tools, then we'll go for this, so we can prepare for the winter, you know, man? Then after that, we'll go for this, because we're food drying. Fish are going to be a large part of our food system. Afterwards, I say we get that so that we can get bows. And that gives us wall making. We can make walls and stuff. That'll be good for us. Our little civilization's coming along nicely. How long until it's done production? Once it does that, we can build this. We'll have enough room for more people to come. And sticks, hell yeah. Yeah, keep hunting. Only hunt what we need, though. How can the skins dry when it's raining? This just ruins our whole production line. Oh, it's mammoths! Big mammoths. This one's gonna die soon. Maybe we go hunt this one ourselves. Maybe we go hunt it. How about that? Sounds good. Yeah, there we go. Building the little hut. Keep going, man. It's always there. Oh, it's got a little hat. There we go. There we go. Add more skins to it. There you go. One more. There we go. Held 9 people. Perfect. Okay, now that's good. We can get more production. Good, yeah. Points as we need. The goat, I hear, is in need of hunting. What's this thing? Is this a pig? Cancel the hunting on this. We don't need that. However, is that the mammoths? Oh no, these are pigs. And there's the mammoth. An adult female. But the little female, the old female, needs easy pickings. And with the cave bear, well, not easy pickings. The goats are easy pickings. The ibex, however, mammoth, not mammoth, a healthy adult female. She could kill us. She'll kill us, ruin our lives. Oh no, little Marak. Little Marak is done and die. Oh, never mind. Damn, they did that fast. Burn tools. We can do that even faster now. Ooh-wee, that wasn't the best. That was not the best thing to happen, eh? Poor kitty. Oh, it's dead now. Productive. Wandering around. You may not be an adult yet, but you gotta learn your place. So you either get to fishing, or you start building that storage hut. I ain't gonna be dealing with no unproductive workers. Gotta be productive, man. Oh, hunter and gathering. And the amazing human lifestyle. Okay, pretty interesting. Yeah, let's get that in 8 speed. Mammoths. Anything interesting going on around the world? No? We'll cut back to when something interesting happens. What we hunt, I do not know. Ooh, cave bear. We're gonna hunt a cave bear! We did it! He's dead! That was fast. Probably because it's fast, we're going in fast speed. Although, it was pretty fast. Admit. Cave bear, hell yeah. Got 6 now, so... Ooh, tough choice. Ooh, that might be good. We'll get food drying. So we're smart with it, you know? Smart. Yeah, I forgot to mention, with Dawn of Man, you know, build your civilization, but there's other civilizations. Tons of them. How come? Well, you don't see them, but they will raid you. Not the best, man. Look at our little camp. Ondos. Why does he have such a deep voice? Is it because he's old? Maybe. Might be that. Nandos. Put this right next to our Tanners. Nandos. That. Look at that. Ain't it beautiful? They hunted something. They hunted something. Killed the goat. Oh, I think it's an ibex anyway. Isn't this lovely? It's getting productive. Our little civilization's going well. Oh, and hell yeah. More bone tool coming along? Hell yep. Gonna go fishing with it. Are you using the bone tool? Ooh, we got fish now. Oh yeah. Fine, the berries can decay. Trader. What's she got? Dog domestication. What's its value? 130. What do you want? What will you take? Flint with value with 2 wooden spear. Bone. You can keep the dogs. Okay. I'd love them, but we can't afford them. We will take your take a bit of bread. You know what? We'll take some bread. You can have some flint. Some stone we found on the ground. Lovely. I have this bread. Guys, we should probably put this stuff in storage. There we go. Very smart. And we can research the next thing. Okay, dogs. Oh. Dogs. Canning. That could make funerary rituals. Sling making. Ooh, it's a hard choice, but we'll go sling making. Hell yeah. What do we need for that? We'll craft 2 of them. That way we have some more weapons, you know, man? Two slings, man. Okay, it's winter. The ponies and the reindeer. We're gonna hunt a reindeer here. Gonna go hunt an adult male reindeer. Come on, guys. You can do this. I believe in you. Go and hunt that reindeer. There you go. Go hunt it. Yes! This one too. This one too. Get them both, man. Them both. Oh, this is a dangerous creature right here. This one's dangerous. But these 2 reindeer, they'll feed us for days, man. Days, I'm telling you. Hell yeah, man. Well, they'll give us enough food to last ages. He took down a... Bro, I didn't tell you to kill a baby one. Come on, man. What the hell? Oh, no. Oh, we've killed a baby. Oh, we've killed a... Oh, we got 2 new people. Quickly change my attention away from that. Lovely. Well, we'll make some more residents. I want this to be a thriving community. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Lovely. Lovely. This is great. No, wouldn't mind living here. It's like a camping sort of thing. And nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, yep, storm. People don't like it. Not one bit. One bit. Okay. Hey, here we are. We got a storm brewing, but winter's almost over. Be good. Be golden. You don't want to overhunt. Overhunt. Oh, more knowledge. Okay, next thing we're immediately doing, we're immediately going for, what's it? We're immediately going for like dog domestication. Once we got all this done, we're going for this. Yeah, we're going for this thing. That gets us into the Mesolithic. Once we get all that done, we're gonna get bone polishing. Once we got bone polishing, we're getting all the ones in this column here. Bows, grain processing, sledge making. Nothing, bro. Nothing is out of our reach. Once we got all this, I'm going for like medieval knights, man, and we're gonna march upon our enemies. Hopefully we can get more people. We can hold 15. So that'll be good. Although now that there's so many people here, I need to make some more spears. There we go. Maybe a couple more slings. I say we make a... anything else we can make? Storage? No. Residence? Nope. Okay then. We'll just let time fly. Let winter get past. See what we can do. Okay, there we go. We got 5 knowledge. Go get some dog domestication. Dog training. Oh yeah. Now, where do we get dogs from? Do they just show up or something? I assume they just show up. Cave lion. Oh then. Why is no one getting this? Go butcher this. Hey, oh! He just canceled that activity, man. They just took our stuff. These don't have a lot of fish in them anymore. Let's remove this work area. Or put it in a different place. These two here, they don't got much in them left. So we'll go over here. Good. Good stuff done. Trader has arrived. What do you have to offer me? You have... cannon. Pulses, flint, leather, dry fish, log. Nothing of value. Leave! We do not need your handouts that you're charging money for. Okay, so composite tools, that'll make us get an axe, hell yeah. Composite tools, we can start building more and more stuff. Thatching, that gets us a hut. So we need thatching if we want a hut. Gonna be interesting, gonna be real interesting. Bush. Yeah, bush. Look, hang out there full. There's a real big old fish right there. There's tons of big fish like that. No. Whoa, whoa. The population looking like 2 male elderly men, 1 elderly female, 3 elderly male, no, 3 adult males, 1 adult female, and 2 children. Children! The children are bait. They are dead weight. We don't need them. A mufflon? Ooh. Early muffin. You know what? Hunt it. Hunt that! Kill it! Don't let it kill him! No! Not to rock! Oh. Praise be. How about this thing? The adult bull thingy. Don't just leave it here. Kill it! Kill it now. Gives us knowledge if we hunt it. There we go. Oh, we got Troggle. We like Troggle. Oh, look at this. Who's this man over here? The man with the long hair and bald patch. Zamok. He seems interesting. I like Zamok. He's an interesting man. He doesn't use a spear, he uses a sling. Interesting man, that man. Oh, we can get something else now. We're gonna get composite tools. We're gonna get those tools. Means. Well, is this better than this? No. No, they're about the same, but I'll craft like 2 of those. Like 2 of those. And 1 of those. There we go. Which will probably mean I need a new storage area, which I shall get. Build a new storage area. Build it here. I feel like the place we live looks kind of bad now that I've made it like this, but it's fine. There we go. What? Get rid of those. We don't need those there. There's this thing, an adult male cave hyena, and it's dying. Don't mind if I do. Go out hunting, boy. He's weak. 1 spear and he's dead. I'm laughing. He's dead. He's dead. Kill him. Get him, come on. Come on, man. Get him. He was a free kill. We had to take it, man. And axes now. 9. Well, we may as well store it. Storage. We'll craft another wood storage because we're about to need it. Fit anywhere in camp? No, nowhere in camp? Okay, that's fine. Put it. We'll put the storage right here. Make a line of storage. We'll cut down the trees. Level the mountains to keep our line of storage. We'll get spiritual. Okay. Structure and memory of the fallen. Oh yeah, we'll put this in the middle of camp. Children, well, the guy who lives here, wake up, see that every morning. The children who live there will be like, oh no! There we go, and let's cut down the nearby trees, shall we? And the trees here, man. Cut those down. I don't need those. What's this thing? That's a cave hyena. Hey, man. What's your name? Viren. You can handle yourself against cave hyenas. Very good. Very good to know that you can handle yourself. This. Oh, look how productive we are. It's almost the end of summer. $100 sticks, hell yeah. What are you gun, bro? What's this? Is it stone? Good for you, my friend. Good for you. A virus? Viren? What virus have you contracted? Virus is affected by an infection? How about you drop that and just go over here? We're gonna quarantine you over here, man. Oh! Never mind. You know, it may or may not be a smart idea to go to where all those cave hyenas are and just, you know, just kill them all. Wouldn't be a bad thing, would it? Get rid of a pest. They go passing through. There they go. We should just go kill their offspring. Just kill the hyena offspring. Just kill the baby hyenas. Just clear them from the face of this planet. Now, it wouldn't be the worst thing, would it? Does this thing turn with me? It does. Okay, then. Look at her. Is this Viren? Yeah, she's recovered from the virus and from praying to the skull pole. Praise the skull pole. Okay, now we're gonna I don't know. Burial mound, spirituality, and dog training. We'll go for dog training, man. Afterwards, we'll go for this thing. 5 new humans have joined the settlement. Lovely, man. You're welcome. You're welcome here anytime, my friend. Oh, who's joined? Who's joined? Oh, 2 new babies. 3 elderly men now. Yes, prestige. Oh well, someone's doing well. We're doing pretty well, but I guess it doesn't recognize it. Let's fill him back up. Hell yeah. Ones are getting a bit drained. Oh, look at this thing. Kill it. And that too. This thing. It's a big ol' elk. Megalosaurus. Yeah, I like these sort of prehistoric ones. It sucks is how we get into the game and we evolve through the stages. We're gonna lose these really cool things because they'll eventually just disappear because, you know, extinction. They won't be able to live anymore. Also, how does this thing, see that? How does this thing walk into that forest? And like, this should not be possible. Anyway, let's see what happens when our boys get here. Oh, here they come. There's our boys. They kill it. Oh, yeah. Okay, and should we go for spirituality or tanning? Making... Did we go right for this? We will, we'll unlock everything in this section before we do anything. Oh, trader has arrived, but there's a cave hyena attack. Good job, they killed it. Trader arrived. What do you have for us? What do you have? 2 of you. Dear God. Tanning. What a value, 100. How much is food worth in this day and age? Damn. You cheapskates. Flint spear. Napoon. Wooden spear. Dry skin. Skin outfits. What is this? This bullshit. 100 foot. What is this? Nah. I ain't paying that, man. You shoot. Although, what's the other stuff you have? Wait, what's the other stuff you have? Come on, man. Let's see. What is this bullshit? You scammer. This is the world's first scammer. The world's first scammer. Be warned. Trying to scare me out of my pelts. Yeah, we got everything built up. Guess may as well try and build something more. We got only 1 more space left. Guess we'll build another residence. Build another residence. Always need room for more people. There we go. Get to building, get to building. There you go, buddy. Is that a dog or a wolf? That is a wolf. Oh, is she going after dog? Turok. Kill it, man, kill it! Good job, Turok. What's that? Young dog. Dog. Come back. Come back, dog. Get away from there. The wolves will get you. 18 people. Look at our little camp going, dancing around the fire. Hell yeah. This is going great. Better than I expected. Man's a fun game. I like games like this where you can build your own civilization. Build armies. Although you can't really build armies, it's just civilization. I like Bannerlord and Man for this sort of reason. How long have I been going for? I don't know. We'll find out when I go check in a sec. Which I'm probably going to go do now. Okay, well that was going to be the end of today's video. I've been going for 40 minutes. I didn't realise how much time flew. It's going well. I might be making another episode immediately after. I'm getting into the fun of it. I'm getting into a groove. As you can see here, we're going pretty well. 15 in the first year of this civilization. Oh yeah. Let's see our little workload chart. Let's see our little population chart, shall we? Where's our population? Food chart, straw chart. I want to see the charts, man. Where's the charts? General stuff, man. Give me more. I want to see the chart. Come on, man. Is there a chart here, man? Come on. Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's Duckton. Where's the chart? Okay, I guess there's no chart. Oh. I'll see you all later. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.